Hello guys, hope you've been alright. Yeah, another day, another vlog. Today I'm on a walk. Yeah, the weather today is good. We've been having some massive storms, so it's been difficult walking around. That's why I've not seen you in the new year, plus the work commitments. But today I'm off. I've created time to take you for a walk. Yeah, so that we can enjoy nature together. I hope this will be a good one as well, because the nature walks have been so enjoyable. So I find it good to bring you along into my nature walks. So guys, I believe you're gonna enjoy this. Thank you for those guys who've been subscribing to my channel. Thank you for those who've been liking my videos, sharing. I have seen some comments. Thank you guys. All I want is to grow this channel so that I can hit the ground running and bring you even more content. This is my nature walk. River went there. Yeah, the river has been flooding during the storm, but today the waters have subsided. You can just see from the banks how flooded it was. But right now it's alright. I'm gonna take you back through the other end so that you can have a look of how bad it was. The river was so flooded, the whole of this place was flooded. It was just crazy, man. Crazy. Yeah, Storm Henk. They called it Storm Henk. No joke, man. No joke. But all in all, we're keeping safe here in the UK. One thing they always do and do it right is that they give advisories on when storms are gonna happen. So the Met department here is very accurate on when the storm's gonna be and the kind of cautions to exercise. So even if someone was to be in some mess, they wouldn't say they were not warned, because the Met department is so active, so accurate, so good at what they do. Makes me remember my country where the Met department keeps giving out contradicting information, but back here, what he said is what will happen. First world. So, this is nature, man. Another day, another walk. How's New Year treating you guys? I know I've not had an opportunity to say hi to you, so I believe 2024 started on a high note for you. And you are all doing good. Like promised, guys, I'm gonna dedicate a lot of time to this channel this year so that we create more content, bring you more videos about nature, travel, adventure, yeah, such stuff. Because if there is one thing that's so close to my heart right now, it's all about nature, travel, adventure. Yeah, I'm a fun-loving person. People say I'm an introvert. Well, I don't know how that is. But it depends on how you know me. But I believe every person in this world has his or her own tastes, desires. So I might not be that outgoing. I think I had a lot of fun some times back. So right now, the fact that I'm also aging, I like chilling. I find it good to chill. Yeah, when I'm not working, I'm just indoors doing my DJing. Yeah, I do DJing, by the way. So when I'm not working, you will find me doing some DJing in the house, of course. But maybe sometimes later this year, I'm gonna start doing it commercially. I'm gonna get into events, because some of the guys I've interacted with are really like, oh John, you need to bring the music out here. I already have some ready clients, so I'm gonna be working on it. But the thing is, here in the UK, you got to be very cautious, because everything has to follow the law. You can't just go out and start DJing without having a license. You must have a license. A license like to give you permission to play music publicly and so many other things that comes along with it. I have to fulfill all that, because I've always been a law-abiding citizen, and because I'm that guy who is very conversant with the law, I wouldn't want to break the same law, which I know the repercussions that comes with breaking the law. So guys, this is Delhi Park. Delhi Park, this is like one of the biggest venues for events here in Derby. And when it's summer, guys, I'm gonna bring you here. You're gonna experience the fun that goes on in here. Guys from all over the UK comes here for concerts over the summer period. I believe 2024 is proving to be a good one to you, just like it is to me. I'm looking forward to more vlogs, taking you on my nature trails. I know you're gonna be educated. You can see behind me, guys. Cycling is also another activity that's so popular here. People will always use the trucks for cycling. I'm gonna cross over to the other side using a bridge that's some few meters away, and that's where you're gonna see how massive the storm has been. It's been massive, guys, but all in all, we thank God we're safe. We just need to keep safe, and the government also is on the lookout. Emergency teams are all over, just making sure everyone is safe. So it is well, guys. It is well. When we have no storms over the weekends or even during the weekdays, that boat there, guys use it for boat rides through the river, and it's such a fun activity where families just come and hang out taking boat rides. It's a good one, eh? It's usually stationed near my house, but due to the flooding, it's like brought upstream where the water seems to be on a low level. River Darwin for you here. Wow, what a view, guys. This is nice. I wanna go down there and get some video of some waterfalls up there. You will just love the views, guys. So come with me, slowly, slowly, guys, slowly. The good thing is that the kind of shoes I'm wearing are just right for this. See this? Massive. I think I'm gonna go back through that bridge, then I can have a good view of the waters there. So like I told you, I'm gonna go through this bridge, have a good view of the waterfalls, and here I am. Wow, see these guys? See how daring it is, guys. This is just so beautiful, man. I'm gonna look for a good view here. Amazing, oh my goodness. You can see my guy there doing his thing. Oh my goodness, it's just amazing how he keeps navigating through the waves. This is the bridge, just a simple bridge for guys to access the other end of this part. Still swing, and you can just hear some wobbling as it's happening. So not the best experience, guys. Right here, that's the waterfall, guys. guys, I've now crossed the bridge onto the other side of the river. I promised to show you how massive the storm was. Some of the ground are still covered in the storm waters. So right now I'm walking towards the grounds, and I'm gonna show you when I'm there how bad, how massive it was, because grounds are still flooded. Just come with me. So I remember there is a vlog I did, and I was showing you myself walking around this place. So you remember the whole of this place was full of grass? See how it is now? All covered in water. This is the football ground. This is how massive the storm was. The waters from this river broke the banks, and this is the final product. Looking on the other end, the trees falling. It was this massive, trees rotting. This is the football ground. I remember some of you guys were telling me, oh, how lovely are the grounds. Yeah, you can now see the effects of the storm. The last 5 days have been crazy. I don't know how long it will take, but we just hope it's gonna be sometime soon, because people need to come and play football. That's it, guys. I'm gonna turn the camera so that you can have a good view.
Because you've got all your personal thing. Yeah. So, we think we should do that.
There are lots of birds around. I really don't know whether there is a way they can pump this water back to the river. I don't know, but it's just horrible. I'm saying horrible because there are so many guys, especially the youths, who come to play football on these grounds. Now they have nowhere to play football, because even when the water is gone, the ground will be so mushy. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Lovely. I hope you've enjoyed. I'm now going back home. It's freezing actually, and I don't have my gloves on, so I need to go back to the house and keep warm. I believe you've enjoyed, and I'm looking forward to bringing you more. Kind request from me, guys, is you just hit that subscribe button, like, share, and leave me the comments. Let me know what you'd like to see, what you'd like to hear, and I'll be here for you guys. Just subscribe, like, share, and comment. I was looking at the YouTube analytics today, and they were telling me 94% of the guys who've been watching my videos have not subscribed. Guys, just think of it. If you just hit that subscribe button, how far we could be by now. Just go there, smash that red button, subscribe, like and share the video, and I'm gonna be so happy. This will also go a long way in motivating me to bring you more content. So from me here, it's good night, good morning, good evening, depending on where you're watching from, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.